friends, it's Tia and I'm up on my YouTube channel today. I decided it would be fun to participate in the Scrapbook and Cards Today Summer Issue Sketch Challenge. This is a very cute card and I love this sketch, so I thought it would be fun to recreate this using some of my supplies. I'm using the Summer Farmhouse collection from Simple Stories. Started with the A2 size card base, and this pink paper is one of the snap cards. It's a 4x6 and I just trimmed it down. And I'm going to add some adhesive, and we will just place that on my card front. Those snap cards are great for making cards. So I'm just going to place that right in the center there. Now, of course, I don't want those words showing, so I cut out a piece of this adorable blue floral paper, and that is from the 6x8 pad, and I am just going to add adhesive to the back of that one. And then we will add that to the right hand side of the card, and you can see that it covers up those words perfectly. Make sure it's nice and straight there. Okay, next I grabbed some white cardstock. I used a cute, like, tiny scalloped die, and I added some ink to the middle with some Distress Oxide ink. I'm just going to place that right on the center of the card. Next, I grabbed this cute label, punched a hole in the top, and tied some twine. It's going to mimic the tag that is in the sketch, and I'm just going to add that kind of left of center on the card front there. And then next, I'm going to grab this cute sunshine circle. I believe that's from the journaling bits and pieces, and I'm just going to add that right kind of to the top section of the tag there. Next, this Hello Summer is also from the journal bits and pieces, and I'm going to add some foam tape behind that piece, and that is going to serve as my sentiment. It says Hello Summer, and it is adorable. I love that little bike. And to add a little bit of yellow to the card, I'm just adding this cute sticker. I believe that's from the combo sticker sheet that has lots of little kind of sticker words on the top. I just wanted to add a pop of yellow there. Add that to there, and then this cute floral cluster is from the bits and pieces ephemera. Added some foam tape on that one, and I'm just going to add that, cover up the flowers on the tag right there. I just want to finish my card off now, and I'm going to add some enamel dots. This is a beautiful kind of dusty blue, and then I couldn't decide which size of pink I wanted, so I kind of went for the middle sized. Added that one, and then I just added a small yellow enamel dot to the end there. This was a super fun challenge, and I had so much fun doing it. Thanks for watching.